In this video, I'll be going over percent of change. The formula for percent of change is the new value minus the old value and divide by the old value. Then you want to multiply by 100. And that will give you either an increase or a decrease. And if you see a positive number, that's an increase. And if you see a negative number, that's a decrease. Below are two examples, and we'll go over each one of them. In the first example, we're going from 120 to 135. So what is the percent of change of that? 135 would be the new value, whereas 120 is the old value, because it's going from 120 to 135. So by plugging in the new value, we will have 135. Then we want to minus 120 divided by 120. Then we want to times by 100 to get the percentage. 135 minus 120 is 15. 15 over 120 is 0.125. Then we want to multiply by 100, and we will get 12.5. Since 12.5 is a positive number, that means that we have a 12.5% increase for the first example. Now for the second example, we want to do the same, where we have the old value and the new value. So the new value that we have is 32. So we're gonna minus 50, which is the old value, divide by 50, which is the old value, times by 100. And 32 minus 50, we will have a negative 18 over 50. And that will come out to negative 0.36. Then you will want to multiply that by 100. And that will equal negative 36. So negative 36% means that there's a decrease of 36%. So the way we would write this would be 36% decrease. Notice how we didn't put negative. The word decrease means that it's a negative percent. So a positive increase, we would simply add the word increase in the back, whereas when we have a negative percent, we would take out the negative sign and add the decrease word in the back of it. So in this case, example 2 is 36% decrease. So these two examples are how you would find the percent of change. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.